Bee hotels are a great way to encourage bees to visit and stay in your garden, but there is a right way and wrong way to position them. Get it wrong and they won't attract the visitors that you're after. Here is how to get it right. Firstly, you need to find a sunny location that is also sheltered from the wind, so against a fence or wall is ideal. To get the most out of the sun, try to have the hotel facing as close to south as you can. Bees are cold-blooded and rely on the heat of the sun to warm them up in the morning, so if you have a choice of either getting sun in the morning or evening, go for the morning. The hotel has to be at the right height, so position it between 1 and 4 feet above ground level. Make sure the hotel is fixed firmly in place, not swinging about, so attaching it to a tree branch is not an option. Also, ensure it is not angled upwards, otherwise you risk the chambers flooding when it rains. And that's it. If you position it near a supply of mud, you may get to see bees using that to plug up their chamber. Or if you have some soft-leaved plants nearby, you could see leafcutter bees using those for the same purpose. Anyway, now just sit back and enjoy the show.